everyone, welcome, namaste, namaskaram. This is Ebin and welcome to another episode of Techknow Travel. Today we are on a road trip to Hogennakal from Bangalore. So let's get started. We reached at Hogennakal and bought our tickets, and we'll be going for the Coracle ride. So let's see how it's gonna be. So now we reached at the Coracle point where we will be hiring a Coracle and we'll be going for the Coracle ride. So this is the point. You can see a lot of Coracles here. Coracles are actually bowl-shaped boats which are used to row in the Kaveri River. So this will be our Coracle. Let's get in. This is our first checkpoint where we need to get down and go to next checkpoint where our Coracle will be waiting. This is because it is in the season time. June and July is a perfect time to visit and experience the amazing Coracle ride in Hogennakal. Now I'm at the top of the Hogennakal viewpoint tower. From here we can get an aerial view of the whole Hogennakal, and you can see the Coracles going through the small valleys over here. I'm very much excited to have a ride of it now. We need to head downward there to catch our Coracle. Our Coracle is waiting there, so let's go. Coracle ride was in Adavi, Pathanamthitta district of Kerala, but it was in a river. But here this is in between a mountain and it feels amazing. Boat itself, there's a floating shop. You can buy wafers and drinks from here. Right now, we are at the middle of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. It's an incredible view from here. You must come here and experience it. Something that you must not avoid in Hogennakal is to try fresh fried fishes. You can see this is superb. Now we are going to taste it at the middle of this river. It's nice. Another thing that makes Hogennakal different is body massage. You can take a body massage varying from 300 to 600, and you can even have a bath in the waterfall. So we are done with our Coracle ride. It was fun. I hope it was June or July where it was rainy season. It will be double fun. And the best thing I would mention is to eat fish at the middle of the river. It was superb and it tastes really well. You must try it. And that's it. I hope you guys like the video.